Unit 1, a supermarket or a store. In a supermarket, people purchase or sell. The purchasers are the customers or clients who visit the store to buy things they need, sometimes with the aid of a seller. The sellers are people working in the store. They can either be the owners of the store or sales assistants. The sales assistants or salespeople can also be called vendors. In a shop, they play different roles. All the people who take part in selling to satisfy clients' needs in the store include the salesperson, the cashier, the manager, the stock clerk, the security guard, and the customer service representative. The customer service representative can play the same role as the salesperson since both assist clients with any information they need about the items they want to purchase. The manager is the person whose job isn't attending to clients but maintaining order to ensure the smooth operation of all activities taking place in the store. The stock clerk's main role is to manage inventory levels, ensuring that products are restocked as needed and that stock is properly organized. They monitor stock levels to avoid stockouts and surpluses. A stockout occurs when a product falls below its minimum quantity limit or its quantity reaches zero, contrary to a surplus, which happens when there is more quantity of a product than needed. This is an unpleasant situation that the stock clerk must prevent, just like the security guard watches over customers and the store. The security guard is responsible for monitoring store security, assisting customers with parking, and ensuring the store is safe from theft and other potential security issues. Sometimes, a store can be crowded, and clients will have to queue. When they queue by standing one behind another, they form a line. Each new customer has to join the line and wait their turn.
This helps prevent any disruptions from clients. A supermarket can easily become packed during special periods like promotions and discount periods. During this time, clients are offered rare advantages. They get discounts, which are reductions in price. Discounts can be applied in different ways. Here are some examples. One product is offered for free after purchasing one. Clearance sales where products are sold at lower prices, and limited time offers where you get a price advantage before the offer expires. Buying a certain amount of products may also get you a discount. This is called a bulk discount. Now, when you enter a store, you can see a variety of things. Some stores have a back room, often small and separated from the main boutique. In this back room, other items are displayed for sale. To help clients easily find the products they need, and even encourage them to buy things they don't necessarily need, a store is decorated with a fancy design through shelves where the items are displayed, each seemingly shouting, "Come buy me." And in some stores, right next to them, there is a friend saying, "Here are their prices. Compare, and I'm sure you will buy one of them." This fantastic friend is called a price tag. The price tag shows the price of each product on the shelf where it's placed. The path between two shelves is called aisle. The aisles ease customer movement for better browsing. To avoid making it difficult to carry the items they buy, shopping carts or trolleys are made available so customers can place their items inside and push them for easy transport. Once they finish shopping, they take the shopping cart to the counter, where a cashier registers the products and issues a receipt. The cashier uses a scanner to scan the barcode on each product. This barcode contains information about the price, name, and more. The barcode allows for quick product registration and speeds up the receipt process. Once all the products are registered, a receipt printer prints the receipt upon the cashier's command. The receipt shows the total amount of all the products purchased, along with other details such as the name of each product, the quantity bought, the date of purchase, the store's name, and more. The customer can pay by cash or credit card if the store accepts credit card payments. A credit card is an electronic card that holds a certain credit limit, which can be used for making purchases, both in-store and online. For online purchases, the credit card details are used, and the payment is directly transferred to the seller's account.
In stores, a credit card reader, also called a payment terminal, is used to process payments from a credit card. A customer can have various cards like a loyalty card or a gift card, which are given only to a few clients based on their frequent purchases in a store. A loyalty card offers benefits, such as price reductions or exclusive discounts. A gift card allows to choose and purchase a gift or products without having to pay any amount, as the value is already loaded onto the card. Sometimes, the products a customer purchases may be defective without the customer noticing right away. When they realize the flaw afterward, they will, of course, want to exchange the product or get their money back. If the product is returned without replacement, the store applies its refund policy. The refund policy outlines the rules under which a client can get their money back. However, the refund policy mainly applies to products with a warranty. A warranty is a written guarantee that provides the buyer with certain services or repairs on the purchased product for a specified period. When a product has no warranty, it can be frustrating to try returning it for a replacement or refund it even shortly after purchase. Make sure to buy expensive products only when they come with a warranty.